Hi friends, welcome to another episode in this Planting Nature series. In this episode, I will provide information on guar plant, commonly called as cluster beans, guar or guar bean. Guar belongs to the family Leguminosae or Fabaceae. The scientific name is Siamosis tetragonaloba. Although cluster beans is consumed as a vegetable, majority of the cultivation goes into other uses, not as a vegetable. Let's now see what are the other uses in this episode. So welcome to Planting Nature friends. Guar is a tropical plant which can grow up to 2 to 3 meters. The leaves are trifoliate, which means 3 leaves are seen together. Usually the leaves are elongated, oval, hairy and grows alternately on the stem. The flowers are seen in clusters, dense. Usually the cluster includes around 5 to 30 flowers seen in the axils of the plant. These flowers are white to bluish in color. The pods are flat. Usually each pod consists of around 6 to 12 oval seeds. These seeds are hard, ovoid, turns grey to black in color upon drying. The seed is the most important part of this plant. Now let's see some of the uses of this plant. Young leaves are edible. These leaves can be cooked as similar to spinach. The pods are also consumed as vegetable. As this plant belongs to a legume family, the roots of this plant has root nodules which has the capacity to increase the nitrogen content in the soil, thereby increasing the fertility of soil. Hence these plants are also grown as a green manure. A powder called guar gum is made from these seeds. The seeds have large endosperm portion which includes large carbohydrate chains. These polymers are water soluble but are very viscous and thick. This guar gum has many applications in various industries. In textile industry, this gum is used in finishing, printing. It is also used in paper industry. In pharmaceutical industry, it acts as a binding agent in many tablets and also main ingredient of laxatives due to its medicinal benefit. Guar gum can also be used as a waterproofing agent, thickener in toothpaste, conditioners in shampoos. This gum is also used as an ingredient in food industry, for example baked goods to improve the texture and shelf life, in dairy products like milk, yogurt, cheese, ice creams to help maintain homogeneity and texture of the product. It is also used in preparation of sauces, dressings, oatmeals, desserts, etc. Petroleum industry has the major usage for this powder in the process of shale oil and gas extraction. About 90% of the production from India and Pakistan goes into the petroleum industry only. There is a byproduct called guar cake during the production of guar gum. This guar cake also acts as a cattle feed which contains around 40% of protein. Nutritional value. The edible portion of cluster bean pod consists of around 82% water, 4% of protein, 0.2% of fat and 10% of carbohydrate, including the very important fiber. This vegetable is also rich in iron, vitamin C, phosphorus and calcium. Now let's look at some of the health benefits. The insoluble carbohydrate polymers are not easily digested, hence this vegetable is low in glycemic index, which means it is very good for diabetic patients as consuming this vegetable does not fluctuate the glucose levels in their blood. Sources also report that this fiber also has lowering effect on bad cholesterol, making it very good for heart. This vegetable is a good laxative. In fact, this is used in traditional medicine to improve the digestive system, especially for treatment of constipation. Cluster bean also helps in prevention of anemia due to the iron content. It also helps in formation of strong bones due to calcium. And due to undigestible fiber, it acts as a filler in the food and helps in weight loss. Guar is also good for pregnants due to its folate content. However, there are 2 points to be kept in mind. Too much consuming of guar leads to flatulence and discomfort. The second point is the pods contain a chemical called hydrocyanic acid, which are toxic to the body. This hydrocyanic acid is removed by boiling. Hence, this vegetable should be eaten only after boiling. Propagation. Cluster beans plant can be propagated through seeds. This is a tropical plant, hence require warm climate. This plant can tolerate a temperature of up to 45 degrees centigrade. Usually the pods start forming from 6 weeks. Weekly harvest can be taken for several weeks. India is leading the production in the world with 80% of the share. So hope you found this episode interesting and informative. Please don't forget to subscribe on YouTube and follow on Facebook. Thank you for watching.